What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about a new phone that is coming to Metro by T-Mobile. Stay tuned. Alright guys, before I talk about any of the specifications or what phone this is, pretty sure you guys know what phone it is, it's in the title. I do want to say that this was on Twitter, so I did not find this information by myself. It was on Twitter, people were retweeting and stuff like that. I saw this information. That's how I usually get the information. Usually people post it. I don't know who's posting this, but shout out to the people that are posting this on Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms like that. I really appreciate you guys. So if you guys can tell by the title already, the Moto G7 Play is going to be released to Metro by T-Mobile. Now the official launch date is going to be Monday, July 29th, 2019. So I'm kind of excited about this phone actually. We've been seeing some Motorola phones from Metro by T-Mobile, the Moto E5 Plus. I believe we even got the Moto G7 or G7 something and Metro by T-Mobile. So definitely put down in the comments down below if you guys are in the Motorola squad, if you guys are using a Motorola device. So coming up the 29th, retail price is going to be $179.99. Now that is going to be the launch price. So obviously you guys know there's port-ins, there's special deals that always happen, and Christmas is around the corner. You know, we have Thanksgiving, we have Halloween, we have tons of deals that are going to be coming around the corner that I'm going to be letting you guys know about. So definitely hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell if you guys haven't done so already. But yes, it's $179 if you guys buy it right out, but obviously port-in deals and stuff like that, like I said. But the color that we're going to be getting on this phone is indigo. I kind of like that color actually. Light blue is my favorite color, so indigo is kind of on that scale, I guess. I'm not sure. Tell me what you guys think about the color in the comments down below. I kind of like it. Don't really care about the colors too much though, but let's go ahead and start off and talk about the description of this phone. So this is what Motorola puts. I'm just gonna go ahead and read this just because I don't want people saying I didn't read this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this right now. So it says, don't let the small size fool you. Moto G7 Play is a performance powerhouse that leaves lag time behind. Stream content and use your favorite apps without freezing up or slowing down thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor and plenty of memory. So we're gonna actually have a 600 series Snapdragon processor in this phone, something that we didn't even see on the LG Stylo 5 for Croco Wireless or Metro by T-Mobile that is actually coming out in the near future. They use the 450 Snapdragon processor, the same one that we saw in the LG Stylo 4 from last year. I'm kind of sad that the Stylo 5 has this Series 400 processor and we have a 632 on the Moto G7 Play, but I digress. Whatever happens, I guess. Moto is definitely stepping up their game. Enjoy more of your games, movies, and photos on an ultra-wide 5.7-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. So this is going to be 720p display. Obviously, you're probably not even going to notice the difference between 720 and 1080p on this phone, just because the bezels are so damn huge on this. And yeah, it's kind of like for the people that have the iPhone XR, it's not a full 1080p display, but you can never tell the difference. It says never miss a moment with a fast focusing 13 megapixel camera in back and capture brighter selfies with a built-in flash in the front. So we do have that built-in flash. We're not using a virtual flash that we see on the Galaxy A10e and other phones like that where the screen just lights up. We actually have a front-facing flash, so that's always nice to see. We get better front-facing selfies. Motorola is always good with that type of stuff. It also says, and it all starts by unlocking the phone with just a glance. So it looks like we're gonna have facial recognition on this phone. Nothing huge. Obviously, I'm gonna test it out, see if it's better than a few other phones that we've tested on this channel. But that's cool. That's a nice description. I think that's a fair description. Obviously, I'm gonna give the review of the phone on my channel and tell you how it actually is. So definitely stay tuned for that. Now let's go deeper into the specifications because I know that's what you guys want, the meat of everything. So as I said before, we have a 5.7-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. So that's going to be a 720p, probably 720 by like 1280, not 100% sure, but this is going to be a 19:9 resolution, so not an 18:9, not an 18.5:9, but a 19:9 aspect ratio. Kind of unorthodox to be using a 19:9 aspect ratio, but that's pretty cool. So this is going to be a little bit of a longer phone. The chin on this phone is going to be a little bit bigger as well, so I'll pop a picture up there for you. The chin is pretty big. The chin is pretty big. It's definitely thick with two C's. We also have a 13 megapixel PDAF rear camera with LED flash, front facing camera 8 megapixels with LED selfie flash, Qualcomm Snapdragon 632, 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, 32 gigabytes of internal, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Now we don't have 3 gigabytes of RAM, but we do have that 632 in there. So that's probably going to even everything out and make everything run a little bit smoother. But I'll definitely test gaming and other high, graphic stuff like that on this phone. phone. This can also take up to 512 gigabytes of storage via micro SD card, obviously, and we have a 3000 milliamp battery with a 10 watt rapid charger. So we do have rapid charging in here. That's always great to see. You're going to be able to charge your phone really fast, and I'm pretty sure just like every Motorola device, the batteries are like powerhouses. So hopefully this phone does the same thing as every other Motorola phone and lasts you for the whole day and some more. We also have fingerprint ID and face unlock, as I was saying before, and we have a 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz network. So you guys can actually use the 5 gigahertz network on your Wi-Fi if you guys do have that, which I always love to use. So definitely tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm actually super excited about this phone just because of that 600 series processor. I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments down below, because you guys are very vocal about these news videos that I do, and I really do appreciate it. Also, leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, leave a dislike. I really don't care. Share the video on Facebook, share it with your friends, tell them you're getting this phone or you're not getting this phone's great or it sucks. Who knows? Really appreciate you guys. Also, hit the subscribe button if you guys want to be a part of the Tech Gang. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.